Hey everybody, it's Matt from Matt and Cat Things, coming to you from snowy Maine. So this is a 2015 Honda CRV. If you've ever got in after a couple years owning it, go to start it, and you get that beeping there. Hear that? I didn't know what it was. It happened to me 2 or 3 times starting the vehicle driving off, and then I noticed this tiny little blinking on there. You can see it's telling you that the key fob battery is an issue. These are the batteries that I bought for the key fob. I got 2 of these things for $379, and one of them was $399. Check the prices, because you probably got a backup key fob and you're going to need it anyway. This whole process is pretty simple, but it's not really all that intuitive. First, you just separate what I believe is your valet key from the fob with the little thumb switch on the back. And the nice thing is you can actually use the key to wedge in there and use it to crack the case open so you can get access to the battery. This is the part that is not all that intuitive. Make sure you take off the protective film off the back of the battery so that it'll make contact with your remote. Then just pry the battery out. Then just pop in the new battery. Make sure you get the right one back in there. That's it. It's pretty simple. I made this video because I tried to find out how to do this myself. I opened this thing a couple times and couldn't figure out how to crack the case open. So once I figured it out, I figured, hey, I'll share it so no one damages a very expensive key fob.